In this video, I'm going to be talking about the ZwoBot Noise device. ZwoBot is a suite of Max for Live devices that allows you to create visuals inside Ableton. So the Noise device is new with ZwoBot version 3, and it is a visual effects generator, which means it generates visuals from scratch. You don't need an image or video for it to do anything. So I've connected it to my player already and turned it on, and you can see this is what it's doing. It's generating these different noise patterns. On the right here, we've got different noise types. This is shuffle, so it's just creating little black and white rectangles. But we've also got all these different options. Noise, which has some greys in there as well. We've got purling, fractal, all these different types of patterns. Under here you've got your classic grain and camo. And then on the left we've got speed, which controls the speed at which it's moving, and then size, which controls the size of it. Under here we've got wave crossing. What this will do is add an extra layer, and you can make it blend. At the moment it's off, but if I click add, you'll see we're getting another layer of this pattern added on top of it. And then you can blend it if you want. That adds some transparency to the two layers. Or you can blend them using the difference blend mode. We also have this texture button here, which will apply the effect as a texture to anything that's underneath it. So I've got this video loaded into my ZwoBot player, and now you can see that noise effect is being applied as a texture to the video underneath. These speed and size dials both have beat controls and audio responsive controls, so we can have them change in accordance with the project's BPM by turning these buttons on here. And how fast they change is going to depend on your master beat control here on your ZwoBot player. And we also have audio responsive controls, so I can select low here on the size, and now that size dial is responding to the lower frequencies of the incoming audio. And I can have the speed respond to higher frequencies by selecting high. And if you wanted some automation applied to the noise type or the wave crossing, you could use an LFO. So let's grab an LFO from here, drag it in. I'm just going to change it to random. Have it go a bit faster, and I can just map it to this noise type here. And now this is changing in accordance with the BPM. And I could also map it to the wave crossing if I wanted. And if I didn't want all of these noise types to be an option to be selected, I can change the percentage here, which is going to limit the options that are chosen. And in the bottom left hand corner we have our usual transparency and blend mode controls. This slider controls the overall transparency of the effect. And then we've got a selection of blend modes. So you can have the effect blended with the underlying image in a variety of different ways.